Today I'm going to teach you how to make product images not clickable in WooCommerce shop on WordPress. This is particularly useful if you want to prevent customers from accidentally navigating away from your shop page when browsing through your products, keeping them focused on your product listings instead. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so now. Make sure you're signing in with the credentials that have access to your WooCommerce shop. This is essential as you'll need administrative privileges to make the changes we're about to implement. Once you're logged in and viewing your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options for managing your site. Look for and click on Appearance. This section houses all the tools you need to customize the look and functionality of your website. When you click on Appearance, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Editor. This will take you to the site editor where you can make deeper customizations to your theme. From the site editor page, focus on the left side menu. Here you'll see various customization options available for your theme. Click on Styles to access the styling controls for your website. The menu will expand to reveal additional options. At the top of this expanded window, you'll notice a three-dot icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal more settings. From the drop-down that appears, select Additional CSS. This will open up a code editor where you can add custom CSS rules to modify your site's behavior and appearance. Now you'll see the CSS code editor ready for input. At this point, I'll be displaying the line of code you need to enter. Feel free to pause the video here to ensure you copy the code accurately. This CSS rule specifically targets the product images in your WooCommerce shop and disables their clickable functionality by setting the pointer events property to none. After you've entered the code into the editor, look towards the bottom left part of your screen. You should see a button that says Review One Change. Click on this button to proceed. A confirmation window will appear, giving you a chance to review what you're about to implement. Simply click on Save to apply the changes. The modifications will take effect immediately, and your product images will no longer be clickable in your WooCommerce shop. And that's it. You've successfully made your WooCommerce product images non-clickable, giving you more control over how customers interact with your shop page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.